If you don't have the $200 for a pair of AirPods, I might have the solution for you. Introducing Airpods 13 Pro. Welcome to Review, a series where we review cheap alternatives to desirable but out-of-budget items. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Airpods 13 Pro. The price of this Airpods 13 Pro is $8, and you can find it at Shopee or Lazada. So inside, we have the AirPods, and then we got some instructions and a USB to lightning cable. Let's remove the skin or like the plastic around it. So satisfying to open this. So now we will be diving into the aesthetics of the Airpods itself. Let's see the inside. Whoa! It actually looks like a real AirPod, guys. A nice casing, and yeah, it doesn't feel too plasticky or cheap, which is very nicely appreciated. I think overall, it looks like an AirPod. We simply connect it via Bluetooth with our phone and it should pair up. Do note that when you are pairing it up, you have to remove the AirPods. Oh, it fits kind of okay. Yeah, it fits my ear quite well. It's not too bad for a price. Let's test out the audio. It powered off. Okay, so right now I'll be testing it against my own AirPods. So, what do you guys think? Which one sounds better? The Airpods Pro 13 or the AirPods? Leave your comments down below. I think it works pretty okay. Like the audio, the bass, it's there. It's not too bad. One thing that I noticed when I wear this is that it's quite sensitive. So if I were to press a little bit or like touch it a little too much, the music will stop. You gotta be careful when you're using this. I noticed that they said it has a active noise cancellation and a transparency mode. For $8, you can get those functions. That's pretty. That's something, right? So long press and it will work. So, should this item just be viewed, or is it actually valuable? You can consider buying this $8 Airpods 13 Pro if this is your budget. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content, and do remember to comment down below what products you would like us to review next. So yeah, till next time, bye!